Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, and let me tell you the rule of our class that whenever I will be asking you to show your thumbs up, you will be showing your thumbs up with a big smile. Okay, you will be showing your thumbs up with lots of energy and a big smile on your face. This is the rule of our class. Okay. So today, yes, I can see that excitement, that lovely smile on your face because 9th of May is Mother's Day. And today you will be learning a lovely drawing which you can dedicate to the most loving person in the world. And that is your mom. Okay. So let's do this work. Let's learn this drawing with great joy. Okay. So take your file and okay, we need circles. Okay, see, this is a sellotape circle. So you know the average size of it. If you have this, otherwise you can take any other object. You can take a bowl, get a bowl from a kitchen, but don't take a very small. So this circle is for mom and this one is for baby. Okay, come on, get a circle from kitchen and I will give full view. Okay, I will give little big views because so that you can see it more clearly. Okay, after starting, so because after that you will be able to see the proportion now. After starting, I will give you closer view. Okay, so this is my file. I kept my file in standing position. Okay, it is in standing position. All of you, yes, ready? Get something from your kitchen and your bowl should not be very small. Okay, yes. So shall we start? Are you ready? Show your thumbs up. Thumbs up with what? This is the rule of our class. Thumbs up with badi wali smile. Yes, all of you should have that. Okay? Because I believe when you will be happy, then your drawing will be happy. Because your drawing is nothing but reflection of your heart. So let's make this lovely drawing with the heart of joy because you're going to make it for the most loving person in the world. And that is your mom. See, those who are having A4 size paper, yes, they can try with that also. Okay, I'm using A3 size, but those who are having A4 size, they can do that. Okay, so now let's get started. Initially, we need two circles, pencil and eraser. Okay, because today we will be doing drawing and tomorrow we will do colors. Okay, so ready? Huh? All of you? Yes. See, tomorrow's material I will be telling you. Okay, before winding a class, I will tell you the material of tomorrow's class. Don't worry. Okay, so now first of all, this is the center. Before starting any drawing, first see the center. So see, this is my center. Okay, this is my center, right? This is my center. I will be making my face. The center is here now, here. Okay, this side. This is the center, this side, and not too much far, almost close to my center. This is the center of page. Okay, so keep your circle here. Okay, keep your circle here. It's a center here. Okay, all of you, and let's make a circle. Okay, and make sure this is comparatively bigger. Circle. Come on, take a circle. We are learning a drawing on Mother's Day. Okay, because 9th of May, we have Mother's Day tomorrow. Hai na? So tomorrow it will be ready and you can gift it to your mom after writing some lovely lines. Those are using A4 size, they can make on use A4 size also. Okay. I draw this circle. After making two circles, I will give closer view. Okay. So this will give you proportion that this much space above is left. Okay. This is the center and I just started with a very close. This complete view will give the basic of proportion. Okay. And I will touch face. See, this circle will go in face and downwards, not side, downwards, I will be making it. Okay, let's draw a circle slightly downwards. Okay, and see, normally for Mother's Day, we just remember sweet memories with mom. And in many drawings, you must have seen Mama is cooking and serving. In many drawings, you must have seen that Mama is making plates of babies and giving them food, helping them in homework and all. But today's drawing, we are showing that Mama is just singing a lovely lori. Okay, and as there is electric cut inside, so Mama has taken baby out in moon night in garden so that the baby's sleep should not get disturbed. And with lots of love, she's singing and patting the baby so that the pleasant sleep should not get disturbed. Okay, this we are going to show. So see, one big circle and a small part of small circle is going inside. Okay. Now, show me, all of you, show the basics. Yes, okay. Shabash. All of you show. Perfect. It's perfect. Okay. We will be erasing the lines of big circle from the smaller one. Erase lines of big circle from the smaller one. Okay. And now I will give you close-up view. It will make the drawing easy to understand. Okay, after making these two circles, now we know where we made it. So now I will give this close-up view. It will help you out understanding the lines properly. Okay, done? Show your thumbs up. You all have done? Thumbs up? Thumbs up with? Thumbs up with? Yes, badi wali smile. This is the rule of our class. Okay. Yes. Now, yes, after this, I will start with mom. Okay. So, with lots of love, very delicately, she just put a child in arms and she step out so that the pleasant sleep should not get disturbed. Okay, so I will be taking a point here on side. Come on, take a point on side. Yes, what I did, those who joined late, I'm giving a quick revision. I took this circle, I kept it in center and draw a big circle. I took a small circle, overlap and draw a small circle. And now I'm making face of mom. So from here, okay, from here, I will be making a line. It can be a straight line or it can be slightly curved also. See, slightly going out, curved. Come on, you can make it straight also, okay? Otherwise, you can make it slightly rhythmic. Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can type and send, okay? It is vertically, it is not horizontally, it is vertically in standing position, okay? Yes. And yeah, this drawing is having a great story, but story I always share when we do colors, okay? Okay, now I will be making one more line. I will be taking one point here. Okay, just very close to this face. Take a point here and draw one S. How to write S? S. See, this is S. I just started from here and it is S. Normally we write S this way, na? But here we are going to write S this way. Okay, this is blunt. We will not write this way. We will be making it very flat. Okay, a flat S. See, this is, I will give a full view because many students join late and they are not finding that where the circles will be made on paper. See, this full view will help you in this. We may just made our circles here, not on the top. Okay, and a small circle. And we took a point A curved line is going this side and a big S will finish here. Okay. Now I will come again on closer view. Closer view will help you understanding in better way. Show me. Lift up your work first and show how it is looking. All of you. We are going to use letters and numbers. Okay. You will see that we will be using just letters and numbers for making a drawing. Okay. Why we use letters and numbers? Because letters and numbers you are very well familiar with. Okay. That the place of showing, telling that it is a rhythmic line. If I will say write S, you will get it immediately. Because S, you are writing day and night, doing your homework and learning. So this is the best way. Okay. So relate your shapes to any word or any letter or anything which you are very much familiar with. So here I draw S. Okay. Yes. And now I will be showing, yes, I will be showing eyes closed. Okay, Mama's eyes closed. I will be showing C for cat and C for cat. Closed eyes with lots of love. Hai na? Closed eyes. Come on. Just write letter C. Now, yes, I'm waiting. Okay. With closed eyes, Mama is just singing that most melodious song that is called Lori. How many of you have ever heard the Lori from your mom? Do you know what is Lori? Yes, so that is the most powerful song because it gives your mind so much relaxation that you sleep immediately. It relaxes your mind. Okay. So, and mom's touch, science has also accepted touch therapy. So mom's touch is magical. Okay. So here we will be showing that with lots of love, mama is just taking the baby in okay, and in open as we are picking, we have picked up the scene when electricity cut is there. So mama took baby out so that the pleasant sleep should not disturb. Okay. What I did, I took a point on side from here, S. And again, I took a point and I draw a one S and connect. And then I draw C 2 times to show closed eyes. Don't forget to show eyelashes. Eyelashes, come on, show lines, small lines to show eyelashes. Come on. Okay, we will keep our drawing very simple. And eyebrows, and don't give a curve. Okay, flat C, eyebrows. Okay, here one eyebrow is hidden behind this hairline. Okay, so I will be showing a small part of eyebrow. Okay, C 2 times. So first we will write C to show closed eyes. Again a C to show eyebrows, and you, if you want, you can make a bindi, otherwise you can skip bindi. Okay? Yes. Show me. I want to check first. Please lift up your work and show. Very beautiful. Okay? So very simply using some letters and numbers, we will be making the beautiful face of your mom. Okay? Yes, kind, gentle, loving face of mom. Now you will see that letter C, C for courage. You know? C for cat also. C is very useful for making face. Now see, I used C for showing eyes closed, C for showing eyes, eyebrows, a small C to show nose in between of 2 eyes, small C. And If you want to make bindi, you can make bindi in center. Okay. You can make bindi also. Okay, I will show so that those who want to make, they can make. Okay. If your mama put bindi, you can make. And if your mama don't put bindi, then you can skip it. Okay, simple. Again, a small flat C to show nose, and see, this line is not exactly straight and not exactly curved. A line, it's looking like a very flat curve, and a line. Gentle, loving smile. Okay, so you must have observed letter C for showing eyebrows, letter C for showing eyes closed, C to show nose, and simply this is almost straight. Two straight lines. The upper line is slightly curved, and your beautiful face of mom is ready. It's that simple. Okay. And now the baby. I want to check the work first. Please, all of you, show me how it's looking. Very good. Lovely. Wonderful work. Shabash. It's looking great. Wonderful. Excellent. Okay. Yes. Let's come back to work. Yeah, I will give a quick revision. What I did, we just kept our file vertically. It means in standing position. And this is almost in center. Okay, I just draw a big circle using this circle. I draw a small circle overlapping this using this cap. I took a point on side and draw this kind of line. I took a point here and draw S, letter S. Okay. Then I use C to show eyebrows. Again, C to show closed eyes. Again, C to show nose, and almost two lines for showing smile. Okay. Yes. So this is quick revision. Those who join late, I will give the list of material. Okay, Hansika, don't worry. I will give complete material because you will be learning watercolor technique. You will be learning earbud impression. And yes, your most favorite little craft also. Okay. So next class, tomorrow's class is going to be full of excitement. And yeah, a wonderful story. This drawing is having a lovely story. How many of you love to listen story? Tell me. Show your thumbs up. Yes, so this drawing is having a great story, okay, which I always share in my coloring session, okay. So now see, Mama's face is done, almost it is, although it is not complete, but let's come on face of baby. Show thumbs up, you all have done mom's face, and show thumbs down. Those who want me to wait for them, they can show thumbs down. Okay, okay, Dash, I can see your thumbs down. Yes. Few students want me to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, I'm waiting. Okay, continue. Continue. And without giving up, okay, you just keep doing. Be attentive and keep doing. Now, baby. Okay, baby is quietly, calmly. When baby is in mom's arms, so the sense of security, we feel that as if I'm completely safe and secured here. So that complete trust, that complete peace is on the face. Let's make face by writing C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Okay, thumbs down. Many students are showing thumbs down. I will wait. Okay, I'm waiting for a little more. Yes, yes, I'm waiting. Finish. Finish your face. You say boy or girl. Initially, both don't have a big choti or plate because a newly born baby. So just face of baby will serve the purpose of both boy or girl, whatever you want to make. Okay, because this is just babies, almost newly born. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now see, I will be showing very soft hairline by making this kind of C. Okay. This is hairline. And as I said, that baby is completely safe and secure. So simply draw this kind of C. Okay. And then closed eyes, sleeping with pleasure. No tension of world. Okay. No tension of world. Anushka, this is a newly born baby. So what hairstyle we will show, hai na? Because newly born babies don't have big ponytails or this. So just show this face only, whether you want to make boy or girl, okay? Because this is a newly born baby, okay? Yes. So now after making C, I will be showing very small, tiny eyebrows. Don't make big eyebrows, okay? Small, tiny eyebrows. Cute, small nose, very delicate, small nose. And smile just like mom. Okay? And you can see completely calm, peaceful, no worries at all that mama is here now, everything is all right. If you want to show, you can show very small eyelashes. Okay, otherwise you can skip also because very young babies, you know, the eyelashes are very delicate. But if you want, you can show. And ears. C for cat for making ears. Now again, the face of baby is almost same in method as we draw mom. Okay? Method is almost same. Okay? Yes, please send your doubt. If you have any doubt, but here we will be making only one baby, okay? Because this is newly born baby. And here, while giving this drawing, dedicating this drawing to your mom, you are remembering those sweet moments. Because this baby can't do anything, na? Can't eat, can't walk, can't take, you know? For everything, this baby is dependent. And that time, who is the one who is taking your care? That is your mom. Day and night, she is devoting many nights without sleep. She spent. So let's remember this moment so that we can understand that she is the one who deserves the whole respect of the world. Never be loud, never be disrespectful. You know what? God, now after making children, lovely children, God thought that now I can't be with everyone. So now what to do? So God created mom. Okay, because God can't be with every child. So God decided I will create mom. Okay, so that mom can take help like me. So mom is like God. And those who disrespect mom, you know, God also don't like this kind of people, this kind of children. Okay, so while giving this card, you will give a promise also that I will never be loud and I will never disobey you. Okay, 2 babies. Shivansh, we will be making 1 baby only. Okay. Colors we will be doing tomorrow. Okay. Now I will be extending the hairline. Now see this slide. All of you see, I will cover a small part of face and this open hairline. This wave will cover the face and go down. See again, this is a big S. Come on, right? Okay, the hairline of mom, it is covering up the face. Okay, and it will go down. Shravya, you can share your drawings on my Instagram ID. This is my Instagram ID where I will invite you to share your drawings. Because here I just check the drawings, I send my suggestions, I send my feedback. So this is my Instagram ID. So you please note it down. And here you can send your artworks, artgeo_classes. Okay. So Shreya, you can share your artworks here and I will send my views, my suggestions, my appreciation. Okay. Yeah. As I'm continuously getting messages for giving full view. Yes, I will give a full view. It will give you clear idea that how the drawing is all about. Okay. Till now we have done this much. Okay. See, boy and girl. I'm again repeating, this is a baby. And this is a baby. So for boy and girl, we are not going to show any specific thing here. So for both cases, you will be showing drawing this way. Okay. So what I did, I just extend my hairline here. Okay. I will extend my hairline here. And she's standing in front of bushes. I'm going to show a bushes of flowers in which we will be putting our flowers. Okay. So this line should be very perfect. Please let me see. Show your drawings, all of you. Let me check how it turned up. Very good. Perfect. So now it's S, a big S. S for sun. Shabash. Great. Okay. And from here you will come down. You will come straight down and give a curve. Okay. From here you will be coming straight down and erase the circle. Erase the circle from hairline. Okay. Come on. From the circle, you are coming down and it's something like J for jug. Okay. It's J for jug. So this is the hairline. Okay, very close to heart, very close to. And you will erase this line of chin from here. Okay, erase this line of chin from here. And you can show a small line of neck here if you want. Otherwise, you can simply do skin color here. Okay. Yes. Let's make a lovely flower in Mama's hair. Okay. Let's make a cute flower. Simple flower. Okay. Make a simple flower. If you have artificial flower, you can even tuck up the flower. And students, for tomorrow's class, if you have some discarded flowers, artificial leaves, and or this kind of arrangement, normally from real bouquets come now, this kind of leaves we get, and this kind of flowers we get. So we normally throw it off. This kind of dry arrangement is very useful for making this kind of cards. So if you have this kind of artificial flowers or discarded flowers, see this is also dry flower. See, these are dry flowers. I just kept it from the arrangement, from a bouquet, real flower bouquet. So this kind of things are very useful for making this kind of work, very decorative. Okay. Besides this discarded things, like this kind of things, if you have, this kind of things can be used for showing the garden all around. Otherwise, we are going to do it with heart-shaped craft. Okay. Yes. Done? Have you done this? Please show. Show now. Lift up your work and show me. Hairline should be perfect. It will show your mama very graceful. If you don't have artificial flower, don't worry, because we are going to learn how to make flowers. We are going to put heart-shaped flowers. Okay, we will be using heart-shaped flowers for our drawing. So if you don't have, it's not an issue. Don't worry. Okay, now from here. Okay, from here, show a C for cat. Okay, C for cat. and connect. This is a hand on the head of baby, mama's hand. Okay? Radhika, full screen, if I will give now, you won't be able to understand it. That's why I have given this closer view. Okay, because when I give full screen, the drawing looks very small. Okay, so see, this is hand. Okay, and you can simply make fingers and complete hand. Okay, you can show mom's hands coming from here. Holding the baby with hand. Simply a C for cat. C for cat. Yes, I will be showing it once again. I will erase the lines and show. See, I will start writing a C for cat. I will come close to hairline and that is straight line, right? I will be making one more straight line and connect as if this is hands support so that the baby's head can get a pillow, cushion. Okay? Simply support of hands. Now I'm repeating once again. From here, I will write C, come close to this wave of hairline and go straight. I will make one more straight line and connect. This is the hand with which she is supporting. You can show bangles if you want. Okay, 2 lines. Okay. Please lift up your work and show. All of you. Yes, amazing. Very nice. Now we need a big circle. Okay. Now we need a big circle because according to our drawing, this is a lovely moon night. So I will just cover this face in my circle. See, my plate is coming out of my, it is coming out of my book. Okay. And this complete, because I will be showing it in moon. I will simply cover it up this way. Okay. Come on. And if your circle is incomplete, it's okay. So take a plate. Take a plate and just draw a circle so that our figure can be highlighted. Okay. So very simple face of mom and baby is ready. From here, see, this line is almost straight with a curve. From here, it is a S, again S. It's coming straight here. Okay. Baby is in arms. And just cover it up in a big plate. Okay. Just hide your mom's and baby's face in a plate and just draw a circle. Okay. Yes. Show very good. It's looking great. All of you show me. You can get a plate from your kitchen. Lovely. Extremely beautiful. Okay. A circle behind. Go and get a plate from your kitchen and use a plate. Okay. I think plate is the best for finding out this much big circle. Wonderful work. You all have done it so nicely. It shows that how much you all love your mom. You want to make a lovely drawing, and believe me, it is going to be very outstanding. And you will be learning wonderful techniques of watercolors also in this. Okay. Yes. You must be thinking, if you are so young, it will be a mess up when we will use watercolors. But no, it is not going to be like that. Okay. Artificial flower, if you have, use it. Otherwise, don't worry, because tomorrow's artwork I will be showing with little simple craft. And for that, we need some colorful papers. If you don't have, you can simply take any paper and you can color it. So, not to worry. See, like I have this kind of golden and silver. You know, this kind of paper normally we get with sweets. You know, with sweets, we find this kind of golden and silver paper. You can use them also. Red color, yellow color, orange color, whatever color is available. Like, see, this is a wedding card stripe. You know, wedding card. So I will be using this also. Anything you can use. This is a blue wedding card. See, this is a blue wedding card. I can use this. Okay. Select some bright colors. If you want to make bun for your mom, yes, you can try that. But see, here we just try to add a flow in our drawing using this flow of hairline. So with bun, that flow will disappear. So if you feel that no, I want to make that, yes, you can try that. Okay, now I will be completing. I will cover it up. Now see, this is hairline. Let's make a bush, which will almost cover up the hairline. Okay, just make a bush. Okay, if you want to show like angel, it can be a cloud. Anyways, you can make it looking beautiful. You can take any color, paper of any color you can take. We need paper. I will give a complete list of material. Don't worry. In the end of class, I will give you complete list of material. Bindi is optional. Yes. Bindi is not compulsory. Bindi is optional. Okay. So you will just touch the lines, hair lines, and make this kind of wave. Please show your drawing. Show your files, all of you. Very good. Great, wonderful. Okay, the long flowy hair will add a flow and a rhythm in your drawing. Very good. It's beautifully done. Shabash. Okay. Now I will give full view because it is required, because I want to show that in their lawn, a tree which is having lovely flowers with great fragrance is there. Okay. And from here, I will be showing the branches. Okay. And all cute tiny flowers are falling down on this beautiful Mom's Day special scene. Okay. As if nature also want to respect mom. So shedding the wonderful flowers, tiny flowers. So during this night time, we are going to do pink and red in the background. Okay. So I will be showing a branch. For showing a branch, from here, write S. See, this S is flat. Come on, draw an S, and it is coming almost till here. It is a full view. So this will definitely help you how to show this branch. I'm going to show branch. Okay. And take one more point. Okay, this is S. S for sun. S. Okay. And as it is a branch, Mahanya, you don't have space above. We started our face from the center. So almost the half part must be left above, beta. So I think you started your face from up. So you can make a small branch in the corner. Don't make this much big. A very small branch in the corner. Okay, you can try. Okay. Yes. If those who made it very high, or those are using A4 size paper, if very little space is left, just make a small branch in the corner. Okay. Don't make this much big extended branch. Will you please show? I want to check your branch also. Very beautiful. So beautiful. Lovely. Excellent. Okay. Yes. So this is S. And I will take one more line here. Come on, take one more line. And I will connect. So gradually I will come parallel, slowly and slowly I will come close. Okay, I will come close. Come on. Just take one more point and connect. Okay, don't worry if the shape is not exactly shape. It is. If it is straight, it's okay. Because this is branch. Okay. Now see, for making trees, for making branches, है ना? Branch and trees, they always add beauty. है ना? Elevate the beauty of your artwork. But making branches for younger ones is a challenge. But you know what? In our letters, letter Y is the most useful letter for making branches and sub-branches. I will show how. Okay, is this branch done? Show your thumbs up. Is your branch done? Thumbs up with smile. Where is your smile? I will not move ahead if I will not find that lovely smile. Because if you will be happy, then your drawing will be happy. Okay? Yes. Can I see the smile? Thumbs up with a great smile. Okay, that's great. Chalo, let's get started. Now, letter Y. How to use? Take a point here. Y. Come on, make a big branch falling down. Y. Letter Y. Ekam, you please click on active speaker view if you're not able to see me. Click on active speaker view. If your sheet is small, Anya, you can make a small branch in the corner. Okay? Make a small branch so that you can show that that branch is shedding leaves on this, petals on this. If you're making angel, then also you can show. This is now here. One more Y. Come on. One more Y. And now I will be making one more small Y. So see, using Y, a big and medium size and a small, I made branches. And this is looking so nice. Effortlessly, isn't it? So Y, letter Y is very, very important for making branches. So first show a branch falling down. And we will make many, many more branches. Okay. Okay, yes. Those if you want to make crown on mom's face, yes, you can. Okay, if you feel that you want to show, yes, you can. Okay. So this is a small Y. And this branch is falling down. And you will be watching that I'm writing my Y very freely. Okay. Yes, I will be showing it again. What I did, I just draw a shape of S. I took one more line, again join and finish. I took a point here, then this is Y, again Y, then Y, Y. Same, I will extend my branch here, Y. Come on, extend your branch here in the corner. Because this upper part, which is looking blank, we will make it very beautiful and connected, okay? So we will be showing that even nature is showering and respecting, showing this respect by showering the petals and of wonderful flowers with fragrance to respect mom, okay? The most respectful lady in the world. This is Y, a small Y again. Simply write Y. Divya, if I will teach crown now, beta, for you, so others will also get confused. Okay, beta? So here, I will be going simply for open hair. Okay? Now from here, Y going upwards, letter Y. Okay? Going upwards. Now I will make some branches upwards. If you feel that you don't have space above, you can skip. I will be making my branches. I will be giving you close-up view of branches. Okay? And because of this only. Okay, now see the branch. This is why I will add a small branch by writing one more Y. Okay? So use of Y will solve your problem of making branches. है ना? Y. From here, one Y and a small Y. I think these are enough. Some branches upwards, some falling down, some enter in moon, and some curved here. And I think these are enough. We are not going to make leaves because we will be making this complete branch full with lovely flowers. And that we are going to do with earbud and cotton. Okay. And we will give a magical touch. You will be learning very beautiful, graceful, appealing watercolor techniques also. Okay. In this. So will I be able to check? Please lift up your work. Show me. I just want to check. Wow, it's looking great. It's looking great. Lovely. Amazing. I can see many of you showed a crown on face. That's lovely. Wonderful. Good. Okay, you can show even a tiara with flowers. And if you want to show a tiara of flowers, you can just make a line of. Very, very well done. Okay, I will give you full screen view. And first, I will love to give you the list of material. Please note down material for tomorrow. Okay, note down materials for tomorrow. Because here, this complete part, we will be doing different technique, plastic crayons also. Then here we will be showing the shedding petals. So this here we will be using different technique. Anna? Yes, I have checked yours also, Mihika. It's beautiful. Okay, note down the material. The first thing in our list is plastic crayons. Okay, this is the best color medium for your age group because it has the balanced quantity of wax and pigment and oil. Okay, so this is best, and these are erasable also. So for this age group, I always prefer plastic crayons. Okay, you don't no need of this much big kit. If you have that round dibby, it's okay. We need one black sketch pen. Black sketch pen. We need cotton, little cotton. We need few earbuds. We need few earbuds. Okay. We need scissors. We need Fevicol. We need watercolors, any kind of watercolors we can use. Tube colors, watercolor, cake colors, poster colors, acrylic colors. Okay, watercolors are also required. A container for water, and a container for water is also required, and a plate. Keep a plate also ready. Okay, and we need colorful paper. If you don't have colorful paper, you can take white, and afterwards you can color it. Okay, you can color it afterwards. And if you have artificial flowers, you can keep. Otherwise, if you don't have, let it be. Okay, many of you must not be having. Yes, I will repeat material. We need plastic crayons. Okay, I will keep my material here, so you will be able to see. Okay, and you can note it down. Plastic crayons, black sketch pen, cotton, very much required. Okay, earbuds, Fevicol, scissors, colorful paper, water container. Okay, these are the materials required for tomorrow's class. And yes, now note it down. All of you have done? All of you have noted down? Clean the drawing. And now we still have time. We have time of, if you don't have plastic crayons available, Ekam, then whatever color medium is available with you, you can start with that. Okay. So we have 10 minutes more. Okay. Watercolors, you can use any. You can use any color you can use. Oil pastel you will not use. Poster colors you can use, cake colors you can use, tube colors you can use, acrylic colors you can use, any kind of rangila colors you can use, hai na? You can use them also. Now, see, after making this drawing, our second step is, I can see this. Anvika, yes, I can see this. It is perfect. These are cake colors. Okay, you can use them. Okay, now first we draw. Okay, first we draw with our pencil. Now, what is the second step? The second step of any drawing is giving outlines. So the very first step is we draw, and second step is we give outlines with black sketch pen. So let's take your black sketch pen and give beautiful, neat outlines. Let's get started. Okay. So this is a hairline, hair going behind. Okay, these are hair. This is not ear. This is hairline. Okay. Always start your lines from the things around. And after some times, come on face. And by that time, your outlines will get stable. Yeah, full screen I will be showing. This is full screen. Okay. Now let's come back to work. Give outlines. Let's complete outline in complete drawing. In this whole drawing, you will be giving outlines. Okay. Very carefully. So you will see that using some numbers and letters, we created. Okay, I will repeat material. Please note down because continuously I'm getting messages. It is cotton, earbuds, okay, scissors, Fevicol, plastic crayons, watercolors, water container, some colorful paper if you have. Okay. Okay. See, I normally prefer plastic crayon, but if you don't have the color medium, then in that case, you can use wax crayons also, okay? Because during lockdown, it's very difficult for parents to arrange for things. So if no other color medium is not available, yes, you can try plastic crayons or wax crayons also. But we prefer plastic crayon, okay? Now, very carefully, with full focus, see the lines, outlines with sketch pen always give very appealing touch to your work, okay? If you have a paintbrush, keep it. It's not that much required, okay? So using some simple lines, we learn to draw, okay? The baby's face, using almost the same method. Okay? Very carefully. Very carefully. See, those who don't have sketch pen, they can get it arranged, okay? And if they don't have, still they don't have, then they can use any other dark colored sketch pen. Otherwise, use black ball pen, okay? If not, if you don't have, then only, okay? Because we don't have any option. Otherwise, sketch pen is the best option for this. As continuously I'm getting messages. See, this giving outlines with sketch pen is very good for enhancing the focus of a child. Because complete focus to chase a line of pencil, it is a great technique of enhancing focus and stability in hand. Okay, and outlines always give a neat look to your work. This is sketch pen. This is ordinary sketch pen. Okay, I will be making flower. If you have artificial flower, so you can do pasting of a flower in hairline. Okay, everywhere. Wherever you draw, in branches and everywhere, you will be giving this kind of outlines. Okay, yes. And This phrase I will be completing the circle around. Material is scissors, Fevicol, earbud, little cotton, watercolors, plastic crayons, black sketch pen, and a water container. Okay, this is the material required. Okay, some colorful papers also. And if you don't have colorful paper, don't worry, you can simply take white, you can color it. But earbud and cotton is the most important thing you should have. Okay. If you don't have earbud, you can make handmade earbuds also, okay, with help of your mom. So see, I just finalized my branches also. So this is the second step of our drawing. Okay, giving outlines is second step. Making drawing with pencil is first step. Giving outline with sketch pen is second step. And if you have brush, you can take, but we are not going to use brush tomorrow. Okay, very carefully you will connect and see our drawing with outline is done. With few curves and few lines done. So the very first step we draw, second step we outline, third step is erasing. Okay. So first step we draw with pencil, we have done. Second step we give outlines, we have done. Third step is erasing extra lines. Okay. That is the most important step to be done. Okay. Let me say now after outlines, I will be able to see your work clearly. Please lift up your work and show. Very good. Now I can see it very clearly. Okay, and while erasing, you are supposed to be very much careful. Okay, don't erase it carelessly, otherwise it can spoil your work. Very good. I can see you all have done it so beautifully. Great work. Lovely. Amazing. Okay. Now, as we have 1 minute left, okay, this erasing can be done next class also. You all have done great work. When I was looking at your work, this is amazingly done. And hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's class. If yes, show a thumbs up with a badi wali smile. Big smile. Not a kanjusi wali smile, nahi, badi wali. Yes. Keep smiling because smile is a curve which make everything straight in your life. This is a great thought. And I can see here 2 babies. So see, my kids, they always think boundless. So here 2 babies are there with mom in Tanya's drawing, and you all have done it greatly. Tomorrow's class is going to be full of excitement because we will be doing little craft, we will be doing coloring, we will be listening to story and lots of work tomorrow. But I have complete faith we will be able to do it nicely. And a great card for your most loving, respectful mom will be ready. But don't forget, this card is incomplete without your precious lines. And don't copy lines from internet. Write your own lines. Okay? And make this card very, very special. So with this, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye. I can see Azia has written few things, few lines. Okay. May God bless you. Bye.